Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody drew this pretty neat. If we do a yellow box trick and go to object order, backup page, the blank is missing and it looks like a hole's been punched out. I don't know what the logo's for, but the question he has, and I've already done it, the question he has, and it's really quite simple. The question he has, if he has the logo, let's make sure that's just one piece. And he rotates it, Control D, makes a duplicate and rotates it from the center, the quadrant, and you rotate it 90 degrees. The first one's fine, the second one's fine. The third one is going to cover up that black and the red. So what we can do, let's nudge these out of the way for a second. Let's get them further out of the way. Let's take this one and move it over. Well, there's actually some hidden lines or something. Let's move that over and let's left click, right click. And let's take this dot, or it's the whole thing, maybe group, object, order, front of page. Well, that puts that one. See, there's his problem he's having. Let's back up here. We got them all right. Yeah, all we have to do, I think, is I'm going to borrow, I don't know what red that is. I'm going to take a sample. It might just be RGB red or CMY because this is his file, and that looks pretty close. And then nudge this back. Yes, this is going to work. Now you can see the outline there, but then just take the Smart Fill tool. This kind of blows your mind when you're trying to work with something. He's evidently a printer. Now you can see the lines in there, but if we right click no outline, we still see an outline. I can see a minute outline. I'll just make the outline black. So that's how I do it, or how I did it. You just need to think about, so this piece now is, just sections of the regular circle, and you could put that together. But one of them could be in the front of the page, one of them's in the back of the page. I do not know what this represents. Maybe he'll let me know when he finishes it. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.